Want to learn how to create Fortnite thumbnails like this? It's really easy to do. I will show you exactly how in 2 minutes. Jump onto the site using the link below. Once you're on the dashboard, just select Remix Mode and then hit Topic Search to start. Just type in your video topic right here to pull up the top performers. I'm using Fortnite Ranked, but this works for anything. Pick out the 3 thumbnails that catch your eye the most, then just scroll down. Now here's where it gets interesting. Check out the quick actions. We're going to use Insert Skin for this one. I'm just attaching a Fortnite skin I wanted to feature. It's super simple. Just open and upload or select your skin. Now just describe the video idea you've got in mind. You can keep it short or go into full detail. Either way works. Once you're ready, just hit Generate. And just like that, we've got our results. I made 2 different versions. This first one is solid, but honestly, the second one is even better. See how easy it is to crank out high-quality Fortnite thumbnails? There's a reason over 11,000 creators are already using VisualKit. The link is in the description. Hit like and subscribe if you're actually serious about growing your channel.